Are you dreaming of studying abroad but you are worried about how much it will cost? In this video I will tell you about 5 cheapest countries in the world to study in. In contrast to United States, Australia or Great Britain, where you have to pay from $20,000 to $75,000 per year, these countries are offering free education, notwithstanding where you come from. The first country is Germany. It's very surprising that most public universities in Germany is tuition free. You can get high quality education in Germany without paying anything, and it doesn't matter where you actually come from. You only pay from 250 to 500 euros per semester as an administrative fee. Additionally, Germany is a hub for technology, engineering, and research. Think about Technical University of Munich or Heidelberg University, where you can get world-class education with no fees. Additionally, in 2023, Germany has introduced new immigration law, which encourages qualified, skilled workers to stay in the country and makes the process of getting residence permit in the country much easier. Also, this law facilitates the process of getting job-seeking visa if you are studying in Germany or you come to Germany to find job as a skilled worker. Germany is creating perfect environment for international students who has potential to come to Germany, study and further work and settle down in the country. The only thing that can make you hesitate is the living cost, but still it is not super high. Depending on the city, it's from 800 euros to 1,500 euros per month. But you can work with your student visa in Germany as a part-timer. So everything is prepared for you as an international student to come to Germany to study, to earn, to work and contribute. The next country is Norway. It's very surprising, even it is for me very surprising, that public universities in Norway are totally free, even for international students. However, in most cases, the education is in the Norwegian language. Please remember that cost of living in Norway is quite high, so take this into account while planning to come to Norway. You should have some savings in the beginning, and later on with your student residence permit you can start working in Norway. Depending on whether you can get accommodation or not at university, you have to pay from 1,500 euros to 3,000 euros per month on your food, transport and accommodation. But remember that Norway is offering one of the safest environment in Europe with high quality of life and the possibility to stay in the country after you finish your education. The immigration law of Norway also considers skilled workers, and there is specific visa that skilled workers can get while working in the country. After working and living in Norway for 3 years, you can convert your temporary residence permit into permanent residence permit when you can work and live in Norway indefinitely. The next country is in Latin America, and it's Mexico. Mexican public universities are charging international students from $400 to $1,500 annually. Mexico has one of the lowest living costs, which depending on where you live vary from $500 to $800. And Mexico is offering a very vibrant culture, incredible food, warm people and warm weather, which is very important, and one of the best universities in Latin America. The next country is Austria, which is another budget-friendly destination. Depending on the university where you want to study, the tuition fee will be from 300 euros to 700 euros per semester. Many public universities in Austria are totally free for the students from developing countries. You have to check with a specific university if your country is in the list. Considering the high quality of life in Austria, the living expenses are quite low. Depending on the city where you're going to live, the cost of living may vary from 900 euros to 1,000 euros. At the same time, Austria is offering an ideal environment for international students to work with student residence permit. The last country is Poland. Poland is a hidden gem for international students. Recently, Poland has been known for high quality education, especially in the field of medicine and business. Notwithstanding the high quality of education, tuition fees are quite low in Poland. International students should pay per semester from 500 euros to 700 euros. Cost of living is one of the lowest in Europe, and depending again on the city where you are going to live, you have to spend approximately from 500 euros to 700 euros. While most education in Poland is in the Polish language, you still can find English taught programs. Let me know in the comment which country you want to study in, and see you in my next videos.